If you have ever wondered what the stock market really is, and why everyone talks about it like it is some secret money machine, you are in the right place. In this video, I will explain the stock market in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no confusing charts, just clear basics that actually make sense. Let us start with the most important question. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership in companies. That ownership is called stock. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that company. Think of it like this. A company is a pizza. The pizza is cut into many slices. Each slice is a stock. When you buy one slice, you own that part of the pizza. Simple. No mystery. Now here is why companies sell stocks. Companies need money to grow, to build new products, to hire people, to expand. Instead of borrowing money, they sell ownership to the public. That is how companies raise capital. And why do people buy stocks? Because as the company grows, your slice becomes more valuable. If the company does well, the stock price usually goes up. That is how investors make money. There are two main ways people earn from stocks. First, price growth. You buy a stock at a lower price and sell it later at a higher price. Second, dividends. Some companies share profits with investors in cash. Now let us talk about where stocks are traded. Stocks are bought and sold on exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. These exchanges act like a marketplace. Buyers and sellers meet there every day. To buy stocks, you do not walk into an exchange. You use a brokerage app or website. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. These platforms connect you to the stock market with just a few clicks. Now here is something beginners often worry about. Do you need a lot of money to start investing? The answer is no. Many platforms let you start with small amounts, even $100. Some allow fractional shares, so you can buy part of a stock. Let us clear one big myth. The stock market is not gambling. Gambling is pure chance. Investing is ownership in real businesses. The key difference is research, patience, and long-term thinking. However, the stock market does have risks. Prices go up and down, sometimes very fast. That is normal. Short-term drops do not mean failure. They are part of the game. This is why beginners should focus on long-term investing, not daily trading, not chasing quick profits. Long-term investors give their money time to grow, years, not days. One smart way to reduce risk is diversification. That means not putting all your money in one stock. Instead, spread it across different companies, different industries. This way, one bad stock does not destroy your entire investment. Many beginners start with index funds. An index fund tracks the overall market, like the S&P 500. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in hundreds at once. It is simple and proven over time. Another important concept is time in the market, not timing the market. No one can consistently predict the perfect moment to buy or sell. Even professionals fail at this. Starting early matters more than being perfect. Let us talk mindset. The stock market rewards patience. It punishes emotion. Fear makes people sell too early. Greed makes people take bad risks. Calm, steady decisions win in the long run. Before investing, always understand what you are buying. Ask simple questions. What does this company do? How does it make money? Is it profitable? If you cannot explain it simply, do not invest yet. Never invest money you need in the short term. Rent money, emergency money, daily expenses. The stock market is for long-term goals. Retirement, wealth building, financial freedom. Here is the truth most people learn too late. You do not need to be smart to succeed in the stock market. You need discipline, consistency, and time. Small investments done regularly can grow into something powerful. So if you are a beginner, start simple, learn the basics, invest slowly, stay patient, and let compounding do the heavy work for you. The stock market is not just for experts or the rich. It is for anyone willing to learn and stay consistent. If this video helped you understand the basics, subscribe for more simple investing content. Your future self will thank you.